tension out of the lanyard, cleared. Safety zone is clear. Fire! That's how we fire.
Wow! Wow!
It's Ken again.
So is this a real period drone that they used in the Civil War?
It looks like one.
Yeah. Which general used this?
Probably Ulysses S.
Yeah,
Grant.
that's what I was thinking. This looks like a Grant drone. So I'm over filling gas over here at the station over my shoulder, and I hear boom! And then I look over, there's a plume of smoke. I thought, did somebody's tire just blow out? No, they're shooting cannons. Yeah, and this is the guy shooting the cannon.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Hey, what's your name?
Mark James.
Mark James, and you're with?
Freeman's Battery out of Savannah, Tennessee.
And you guys do reenactments, Civil War reenactments and
Civil
things?
War reenactments, Civil War historical events.
Okay, and today, since
it's kind of a Memorial Day weekend, so we're doing a veterans thing because the state, they're fixing to open the state veterans cemetery down the road here. So we're just trying to do something for them for this weekend.
And you're shooting the cannon every 30 minutes?
Every 30 minutes from 10 o'clock to when it rains.
And so you're about to shoot it again here in a minute?
At 12 o'clock.
All right.
This is a reproduction James rifle. James rifle was invented by Charles James about 1859, give or take. He was a general in the militia in Rhode Island. He had come up with a shell, a rifled shell, and he needed a cannon to shoot it. So he invented the shell first, and then he invented the cannon to fire it.
Is this a rifled cannon?
This right here is a smooth bore.
Smooth
but
bore,
originally it would have been rifled.
Neat.
It weighs about 900 pounds, give or take.
I was just going to ask you how much it weighs.
The whole, with the carriage, this weighs about 1,600 pounds, and that weighs about 700 to 800 pounds.
So the people in the Civil War must have been in better shape than we are to lug this around over hills and...
We're fat people.
We're
me.
Fat contemporary Americans.
We are fat people.
Yeah.
On average, a Confederate soldier was anywhere from 5'8" to 5'9". You know, that was considered a tall person.
Yep.
Average person was probably about 5'4", 5'5", 125 pounds.
That's why the doorways on some of the older houses you have to duck.
We've gotten taller over the last 150 years.
And wider.
And wider.
Yeah. Okay, what is that?
It's a primer. It's a wire. This probably 1850s it was invented. The wire runs through here, and I can't remember the different chemicals that are in here. And when you pull that wire, it creates friction. That's why it's called a friction primer. And it makes it explode. When it explodes in the vent tube, it sends the sparks down to the powder.
Fascinating. And these are the charges?
No, those are the little charges we have, yeah.
Okay. All right, let's see what a cannon looks like from above.
More than 625,000 men died in the Civil War. That's more Americans than in World War I, World War II, the Korean War, and the Vietnam War combined. Rifles were by far the deadliest weapons, but deadlier still was illness. 2/3 of the soldiers in the Civil War died of disease.
Load by detail. Clear the vent. Clear.
Be clear.
Worm. Sponge. He is putting out the embers that may be left over from the last fire. Advance around. Okay. This is the powder and the shot. Ram! He's gonna ram the charge into the breech. Ready! He's gonna drop the pick, find the charge, pick it, primer in, hold the primer, tension out of the lanyard, cleared, safety zone is clear, fire! That's how we fire.
Wow. Wow. That's great. Thank you, guys.
Slack out of the lanyard, check the field of fire. Fire!
That is fantastic. I loved it. Well, thank you very much, you guys, for showing me that and for educating my audience. Very fascinating. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you are a veteran, thank you for your service. It's much appreciated. Happy Memorial Day. And please, you guys, no spoiler alerts. Don't tell me how the Civil War ended. I got it on DVR.
We still fighting it. We'll let you know when it's over.